You are invited to our open house on 12th of February, Saturday from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. and 13th of February, Sunday from 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. Lots of newness in a great location. Live in the county seat of Citrus County, right in the heart of Inverness, with beautiful views of Spivey Lake. Less than a mile from Eden Park boat ramp and fishing pier. This 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom home is minutes away from downtown, schools, hospital, library, parks, grocery stores, restaurants, shopping, you name it. This homey abode boasts of new fresh paint, new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, new vanity and LED lighting in bathroom, new Whirlpool refrigerator in an updated kitchen with plenty of cabinets for all your storage needs, new energy-efficient and ductless heat-cool wall unit with remote controls installed in living area and cooling wall units in each bedroom. Open living room with sliding glass doors that lead you out to a covered porch, so you can enjoy some fresh air with your morning coffee. Fully fenced property and has 2 sheds. Both with power for all your hobbies, tools and anything else. Re-roofed in 2019. Multiple offers, sellers requested highest and best by 9 a.m. on Monday, February 14th.